Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can sign out from Netflix account on your smart TV. There are two ways to do it. We will find out those two ways in this video, so watch the video till the end and let's start the video. So first of all you need to do is to grab your remote and just when you open your Netflix application on your smart TV, make sure that you're logged in. And you need to just tap on the left arrow on the Netflix application and this settings option will open. All you need to go is to scroll down and you will find Get Help. You need to tap on Get Help, and as you will scroll down you will find out the sign out option. So all you need to do is to tap on this sign out and you will be signed out from the Netflix account. I will not do it because we will need to learn the next method as well. The next method is actually some keys combination on the remote. So all you need to do is to open your Netflix application on your smart TV. The next thing you need to do is to use the combination. You need to just press the up arrow, up, up, down, down. Then you need to do left and then right, left, right, and then up, up, and up. So once you put all these combination in order, you will find out the list just like this. And once you just go down, you will find out the sign out option right at the bottom. So from here, you can sign out from your Netflix application on your smart TV. So guys, these were the two methods that you can use and sign out from the Netflix application on your smart TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.